gonna hear the content. I don't know how well it would play out if when I go riding, if we put the scenes on just for group talk. If that's the case, I know sometimes people hear them. I'm hoping that would stay in. I don't know how that really works. Like I said, I'm new to the blogging. Trying to get some good content, and you know, every ride obviously is going to be different. You see different things, see different people. When we hit 1,000 subscribers, I will say 1,000 subscribers, if we hit 1,000, I will do a giveaway. Because we know everybody likes giveaways. I will have everybody comment on it, and then I'll have them comment a number between we'll say 5,000, because I know people are going to still view them. You know, people are still going to view them and probably leave a comment and not be subscribed. But make sure they're going to subscribe. I'm going to try and make sure a subscriber gets it, because that would only be fair for all the loyal people who are going to subscribe to the channel. You know, I don't want to do a helmet giveaway. I've seen people do helmet giveaways because everybody got different sizes. I'm a size small. You know, I don't want to say I'm going to give away a helmet. I buy ideally a medium size or a large size, and end up being a small person like me, or they end up having a slightly larger head than the size that I got, and you know, that wouldn't be safe for anybody. I can't really do bike parts because bike parts vary from rider to rider. I might do a GoPro giveaway. I'll get a GoPro session, and we could do that for a giveaway. You know, everybody would like that. You know, comment below. Tell me what kind of giveaway you would like to see. A GoPro session, the new GoPro camera that is a cheap model, but for some reason doesn't shoot 4K. Because I got rid of the session for that. I was lucky enough to find one at Walmart because Best Buy didn't have it. Luckily I had a Walmart credit card as well. Off to Evergreen Walk we will go, and I will show you the outdoor mall we have. We'll go in the back way and we'll come out this way. Which is just the next entrance. You can see all the outdoor stuff. You got a dome over there. A plane for that restaurant. If you didn't watch my gear video, I will talk about what kind of helmet I have. I don't know if I talked about that yet or not. If I did, I'll just edit it out. I got the Shoei 1200 series helmet. I have the auto tint lens, which I would recommend. Best lens I ever bought. I think I might have talked about it in this video or the last video, because this is take 2, so I'm trying to remember what I covered and what I didn't. We got Moe's, Carter's, New Balance, Charming Charlie's. We got a lot of good food places in here. Ted Montana Grill, that's a good one. Over at the clock tower, we have Ben & Jerry's to our right. with an outdoor fireplace. That's always good for winter. Nice cool summer night where you got a nice breeze to eat some ice cream. Nice blinker, asshole. That's probably the most common phrase used. Nice blinker, asshole. Because we all know everybody says that. I never tried Burton's Grill. That place is always packed. It was packed at 1 o'clock when I came, and it's pretty decently packed still at 3:28. When we first entered that loop, if you look to our right behind Panera Bread, there was also a really good sushi place. Then we'll backtrack a little bit right here to our right. We'll go in this little parkade. It's not like the parkade. Like, we got 3 of them. Parkade that everybody knows is probably where Stop and Shop is, over on Broad Street and West Middle. So this is where Olive Garden is, right there. We got some tanning salons, apparently a sign shop. Japanese place, I guess. I'm gonna have to check that one out. I never had been there. PetSmart. Here we also have GameStop. Starbucks that I really don't go to. Sorry for you Starbucks fans. I'm not much of a coffee drinker. I go to Dunkin' Donuts maybe for the donuts, and that's about it. Maybe Claudia at Dunkin'. Okay, I had a stop sign too, but if you're not gonna go, I'm gonna go. Unfortunately, as everybody knows, Toys R Us is closing down. 20 to 40% off. Everything must go. People don't know how to take care of their freaking 10 kids. Literally 10 kids. No, literally 4, but you know. It's like they weren't watching them to begin with. This thing about riding bikes, you gotta be very, very aware of your surroundings and constantly scan with your eyes. You know, you don't want to hit a little kid. Tesla charging stations. I did not know that was there. So I got that on this ride. We all learned something new. That was a Tesla right there. So apparently someone used it. So I guess that's the downfall of buying a Tesla. You're gonna have to go to the charging stations. I don't know how true that is. Comment below if you know.